Top 3 blenders comparison: Vitamix Slate A2300, Chefman Obliterator, and Ninja TB401. Vitamix Slate A2300 Ascent Series Smart Blender. Product review. The Vitamix A2300 Ascent Series Smart Blender is a high-performance, professional-grade blender designed for both home cooks and culinary enthusiasts. With its 64-ounce low-profile container, variable speed control, pulse function, and wireless connectivity, this blender promises precision, durability, and ease of use. Powerful motor. Equipped with a 2.2 HP motor, the Vitamix A2300 can easily blend tough ingredients like frozen fruits, nuts, and leafy greens for ultra-smooth textures. Variable speed and pulse control. The manual speed dial allows for precise control over blending consistency, from chunky salsas to silky smoothies. The pulse feature helps create coarse textures when needed. Self-detect technology. Vitamix's wireless connectivity automatically adjusts blending settings based on the container size, ensuring optimal performance and efficiency. Built-in digital timer. The integrated timer eliminates guesswork, helping users achieve consistent results by tracking blending durations. Durability and design. Built with stainless steel blades and a robust BPA-free container, the Vitamix A2300 ensures long-lasting performance. The sleek slate gray finish adds a modern touch to any kitchen. Easy cleaning. Like other Vitamix blenders, the self-cleaning function allows you to rinse the container with soap and water in under a minute. No disassembly required. Pros: high-powered 2.2 HP motor for smooth blending, variable speed control for precise textures, pulse function for added versatility, self-detect wireless technology for smart blending, built-in timer for easy monitoring, dishwasher-safe components for easy cleanup, 10-year warranty for long-term reliability. Cons: no preset blending programs, requires manual adjustment. Slightly noisy due to the powerful motor. Expensive compared to standard blenders. The Vitamix A2300 is ideal for health-conscious users who regularly make smoothies, soups, or nut butters. Home chefs who want precision and power for cooking. Users looking for long-term durability with a premium blender. The Vitamix A2300 Ascent Series Smart Blender is a top-tier choice for those who want high performance, durability, and smart blending features. While it's not the cheapest option, its powerful motor, variable speed control, and smart technology make it a worthy investment for serious blending enthusiasts. Rating 4.75. Chefman Obliterator 48-aughts Countertop Blender. Product review. The Chefman Obliterator is a high-powered 1380 watts countertop blender designed for crushing ice, blending smoothies, and processing tough ingredients like nuts and frozen fruits. With a stainless steel blade, auto blend function, and a 48-aughts container, this blender aims to deliver professional-grade performance at an affordable price. Powerful 1380 watt motor. Crushes ice, nuts, and frozen fruits effortlessly, making it ideal for smoothies, protein shakes, and even soups. Auto blend function. The smart blending technology adjusts speed and power automatically, ensuring a perfect consistency every time. Stainless steel blades. Durable 6-point stainless steel blades provide fast and even blending, tackling even the toughest ingredients. 48-aughts BPA-free container. A family-friendly size that's great for meal prepping, making multiple servings at once. Tamper and scraper included. Comes with a tamper tool to push down ingredients and a scraper to easily remove blends from the container. Easy to clean. The self-cleaning function allows for quick rinsing with soap and water, and the BPA-free pitcher is dishwasher safe. Pros: powerful 1380 watt motor for crushing tough ingredients. Auto blend function for hands-free operation. Durable stainless steel blades for smooth results. Includes a tamper and scraper for convenience. Affordable price compared to high-end competitors. Cons: louder than expected due to the high power. No preset programs for different blending modes. Plastic build feels less premium than Vitamix or Ninja. The Chefman Obliterator is great for budget-conscious buyers who want power without the high price tag. Smoothie lovers who need a strong blender for daily use. Families looking for a mid-sized blender for multiple servings. The Chefman Obliterator is a powerful and budget-friendly blender with great blending performance and a convenient auto-blend function. While it lacks premium build quality and some smart features, it delivers excellent value for its price. Rating 4.3 FEF. Ninja TB401 Detect Kitchen System Power Blender Plus Processor Pro. Product review. The Ninja TB401 Detect Kitchen System is a high-performance, all-in-one blender and food processor designed for versatility in the kitchen. Featuring BlendSense technology, a smart 1800-watt motor, and multiple blending and processing attachments, this system is built to handle everything from smoothies to dough. It's an excellent choice for those who want a blender that can also function as a food processor. One 800-watt smart motor with BlendSense technology automatically detects the ingredients and adjusts speed and power for the best consistency. Multiple functions, blending and food processing. This system includes 72-aughts power blender pitcher, ideal for smoothies, frozen drinks, and sauces. 24-aughts nutrient extraction cup, perfect for single-serve smoothies and juices. 8-cup food processor bowl, can chop, knead dough, and slice ingredients. Auto IQ preset programs. Pre-programmed settings for smoothies, chopping, dough making, and crushing ice, providing a one-touch experience. Total crushing blades. Designed for pulverizing ice, frozen fruit, and hard ingredients in seconds. Easy cleaning. Dishwasher-safe parts and self-cleaning mode make maintenance simple. Smart torque technology. Prevents stalling when blending thick ingredients, ensuring smooth results. Pros: 1 1800-watt motor with smart BlendSense technology for precise blending. 3-in-1 system, blender, personal cup, food processor. 72-aughts pitcher plus 24-aughts cup plus 8-cup food processor for versatility. Auto IQ presets for easy one-touch operation. Total crushing blades for ice and frozen blending. Cons: bulky design takes up counter space. Noisy motor at high speeds. More expensive than standard blenders. The Ninja TB401 is ideal for home chefs who need both a blender and a food processor. Smoothie lovers who want preset programs for convenience. Families looking for an all-in-one kitchen system. The Ninja TB401 Detect Kitchen System is a powerful, versatile kitchen appliance that blends, chops, and processes food efficiently. With smart technology, preset programs, and multiple attachments, it's an excellent multi-use option for those who want both a high-end blender and a food processor in one device. Rating 4.65.